Good day, this is Chef Jamaican here, and today I'll be doing the Jamaican famous jerk chicken. Let me show you the ingredients needed. So, main ingredients are scallion, thyme, and pepper. 3 natural seasonings, 3 powdered seasonings, salt, black pepper, and pimento berries. This is my own homemade herb. Add half cup of water. Stir to get an even paste. So this mixture is sufficient and enough to do a 4 pound of chicken. Leg quarters and breast is what I prefer to use. So this is how we pre-season our jerk chicken. We slice the leg and the thigh in the joint. Add season inside the meat so it marinates a lot quicker. Still add season thoroughly throughout the bird, in and out. This maximizes flavor. Nextly, get the chicken on the preheated grill. Add the chicken to preheated grill. Give it 10 minutes before attempting to turn. Make sure that the fire is not inflamed. Charcoal must be lit but not inflamed. Cover and leave for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, it should have a charred color. So normally it takes up to 45 minutes to cook. Alright, so this is the first 10 minutes. When you have a lit flame, you need to get water and sprinkle water on the flame to get the flame down. So for any lit flame, sprinkle water to keep the flame from blazing. Leave again for the next 10 minutes. Okay, so far it has been on the grill for 20 minutes. Okay, it has been cooking nicely. Has that nice charred color. So after turning, we will leave it on the grill with the lid open for at least the next 10 minutes under supervision. Leaving it on the fire, open flame, to give it a charred taste. Not burnt, but charred. So the old purpose of closing the grill is to get the flavor locked in with the smoke, and it helps to cook the meat with the high temperature. The reason for keeping it open is to get the charred color on the outside of the meat, to give it that charred flavor. Hence, you get your Jamaican jerk chicken. This is our Jamaican festival, normally served with our jerk chicken. Now we have it, the finished product. Jamaican jerk chicken, served with festival.
Thank you so much for watching. We are glad you enjoyed this cooking video with Chef Jamaican. In this video, we showed you how to make Jamaican jerk chicken. The main ingredients are escallion, thyme, pepper, pimento berries, black pepper, and salt. This is an easy recipe to follow. Remember to subscribe while you're sitting at your computer. We're glad you had fun today and enjoyed yourself. Be sure to look us up again at Sweet Sue Cooking Up channel. Tune in for more village cooking recipes such as Sri Lankan breakfast that's prepared in the village outside on an open fire. Our other video is a prawn curry prepared in the village of Sri Lanka. Watch how easy and interesting this is. We also have a giant silver carp video with live cutting in the village. With that, Chef Jamaican and I wish you a pleasant day. Happy cooking, and please subscribe and like this video if you found it easy and fun to watch. We enjoy bringing you easy to cook village recipes and village life videos that are different and appealing. Please share this video with your family and friends. They will like it too. Be sure to stay tuned to some upcoming village recipes that are both delicious and easy. We have coconut milk recipes that go with any meal. So sit back, relax, and we'll do all the work for you. Bye for now.
Hi, I'm Sweet Sue, and I'm cooking up amazing recipes we have village cooking that it's cooked on the outdoors, an open fire. These are amazing recipes to watch. Like this one, for example, it's stringing batter into very hot oil. And this can be flavored into like onion rings, or you could do like not potato chips, but like batter chips. And then you can also have it as a dessert underneath fruit, like it's a little cookie or a cake. So this is a very unique type of cooking where it cooks very fast and it's made out of a batter cooked outside over either an open fire or a very hot stove. We have recipes from start to finish. If you like these recipes, and also enjoy watching our videos with village people and different other recipes such as stir fry and also air frying, then please consider subscribing. Simply click my picture to the right side of the screen on the bottom, and you will see all of our recent uploads. We appreciate it, and it will grow our channel.